Ever wondered what it's really like to be at the helm of a project that could bring a life-changing medicine to patients? The role of a pharmaceutical project manager is dynamic, demanding, and incredibly rewarding. Today, we're going to take a glimpse into a typical day in their busy schedule. The day often kicks off with a scan of the inbox. A pharma project manager will likely start by checking emails, prioritizing urgent requests, and responding to queries from their diverse project team. Next, they'll often review project dashboards and reports. These tools provide a snapshot of the project's progress, highlighting key milestones, potential roadblocks, and budget adherence. If any urgent issues or roadblocks have surfaced overnight or require immediate attention, the morning is the time to address them, perhaps by reaching out to relevant team members for clarification or initiating problem solving. Before the flurry of meetings begins, there might be some time dedicated to preparing for the day's discussions, reviewing agendas, and gathering necessary information. A significant portion of a pharma project manager's day is usually spent in meetings and collaborative sessions. They might start with a cross-functional team meeting, bringing together representatives from research and development, clinical operations, regulatory affairs, manufacturing, and even marketing. In this meeting, the team will discuss progress on various aspects of the drug development process, address any challenges, and ensure everyone is aligned on the next steps. There could also be stakeholder meetings with senior management to provide updates on the project's status, discuss potential risks, and seek necessary approvals. Depending on the project phase, there might be meetings with external partners, such as contract research organizations or manufacturing facilities. A key skill for a pharma project manager is facilitating problem-solving sessions, guiding the team to identify root causes and develop effective solutions to keep the project moving forward. Throughout these interactions, the project manager plays a vital role in ensuring clear communication and alignment across all involved parties. Between meetings, the pharma project manager will often be engaged in individual work and task management. This could involve updating project plans and timelines to reflect progress or any necessary adjustments. They are also responsible for managing budgets and resources, ensuring that the project stays within its allocated financial constraints. Tracking progress against key milestones is a continuous activity, helping to identify any potential delays early on. Meticulous documentation of decisions and actions taken is crucial in the highly regulated pharma environment. Furthermore, a proactive project manager will dedicate time to risk assessment and mitigation planning, identifying potential threats to the project's success and developing strategies to address them. Despite the best planning, unexpected challenges are a common occurrence in pharmaceutical development. A project manager might need to spend time dealing with unforeseen issues such as delays in clinical trial enrollment, unexpected regulatory queries, or manufacturing hiccups. Their ability to be adaptable and find creative solutions is often put to the test. When necessary, they also need to know when and how to escalate issues to the appropriate levels of management for resolution. As the day draws to a close, a pharma project manager will typically review their accomplishments for the day and plan for the next. This might involve outlining key tasks, setting priorities, and ensuring that all critical action items have been addressed. In essence, a day in the life of a pharmaceutical project manager is a fast-paced, multifaceted experience requiring strong organizational, communication, and problem-solving skills. They are the central point of contact, the orchestrator of complex processes, and the driving force behind bringing innovative medicines from the lab to the patients who need them.